And today's ruling forced the Senate to suspend debate on the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA bill. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
INDECOM does not have the power to arrest, charge or prosecute any person for any criminal offense. When that bombshell ruling was handed down in the appeal court on Friday, senators had to pause and take stock. That's because the very law they were seeking to pass was to make MOCA independent, so it can investigate and prosecute serious crimes and related matters.
Given the fact that in this bill before us, it speaks to the power of a constable, it would be prudent for us to take the time and to consider in detail the ruling that has been made and to consider whether there is any implication of any sort. So I would ask Mr. Chairman that we at this time suspend.
And it turns out a pending decision from the court has forced opposition senators to suggest changes to the MOCA bill. The case involving Orett Fisher, who claims his one-year appointment as Director of Elections was illegal because the law says it should be for 7 years. The connection, Section 12 of the MOCA bill, says the Director General shall be appointed for 3 years and shall be eligible for reappointment.
What this says is that after 3 years, the man is able to reapply for the work, or is able to be considered for the work for another 3 years, not 2 years, 1 year, or 18 months. Yes, so you don't have to change this. This is there, this is pellucid.
That clarity was lacking for opposition Senator Lambert Brown.
We need to avoid what happened at the EOJ by putting in the words here, reappointed for a similar term. But it can't be that we manipulate it and then we hear cry as we have heard about political interference.
Opposition senators also took issue with Section 9.3 of the MOCA bill. If MOCA says it's not investigating a case from a law enforcement agency, the bill gives the National Security Minister permission to tell the Director General of MOCA to provide specified assistance to that law enforcement agency.
What is the intent of this clause? And isn't this going against the very notion of independence of the agency?
There needs to be a balance between the operational independence and the general policy oversight of the minister. The minister being that person with that designated responsibility is deemed to be the most appropriate person to act in the capacity where necessary to ensure that there are cooperative relationships between the agency and any other body.
It says here that the minister shouldn't have the information. So you have 3 people in a room and the adjudicator is the least informed. That cannot be. How would he determine if he is the only one without information?
The deliberations continue. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.